What is up, my fam? I'm back again with another Sims 4 video, and this is on the island living. If you can't tell, you probably can't, but this is going to be on the island living, how to make your sim a mermaid. Now, my sim is already a mermaid, but I can show you again how I done it. I don't know why this is going blurry. Alright, so what you're going to start with is you're going to type in your testing cheats true. Okay, it should say they're enabled, and then you're going to type in traits.equip. Did you spell it right? Yes, I did. Underscore trait. Space trait. Underscore again. Occult. I didn't even spell that right. I'm like having to look through this camera and watch what I'm doing at the same time. So it should look like that. Traits equip underscore trait, and then space trait occult mermaid. And if it's not right here an underscore, I think it is. I'm pretty sure that's what I did. You should hit enter. I can't hit enter, or I don't want to because she's already a mermaid. I'm afraid that's what it's gonna do. But I'm just going to act like I did, and if you done it right, you should see this thing right here. Because that should say that they are an occult sim. And I'm going to put her in live mode, because she was going to go swimming. I'm going to have her swim here, and I'm just going to go off topic while she's getting in the ocean. This is a little mini house that I built. If you guys like this, I'm thinking about uploading it. And I've got another one that I built that's absolutely massive. Alright, and she is a mermaid. And I made her blue tail. You can obviously change their tails when you go into cast mode. I'm assuming you know how to do that. If you don't, let me know. I'll help you with that also. But that is what she looks like, and she currently doesn't want to be a mermaid for once. She always, pretty much stays as a mermaid. One thing I don't like about it is she'll be swimming at 2 in the morning because she just likes being in the ocean. Because she's a ocean child, or whatever you call that. And that's where she likes to stay. And here's another shot of my mini house. This is on the island, so if you guys like this, let me know and I'll upload it. I just thought it was cute because she was actually homeless, and I wanted her to be homeless, and then I actually done a gigantic version of it, if you guys want to see it as well, if I can find it. I actually don't know where I put it. I'm trying to find the neighboring area. I think I'm just going in circles at this point, guys. Maybe not, maybe not. Yeah, I'm just going in circles because right here is this house. So maybe I can't even go forward. I don't even know where that house is at. Hold on. I'm just going to go into manage worlds. It's right here. I actually uploaded this house last night, if you guys like this one. This one right here, it looks like the freaking game built it. I think that's my best one I've ever done. I'm gonna go make sure, no one's living in it. No one's living in it. On the thing, when you go to download houses, I don't know if you guys do, but sometimes I do, it has listed that house as 189,000, when on the game it makes no sense because it's put it down as 174,000. So I don't know if I took something off by accident last night. I don't remember it. But this is the massive version of the house that I'm living in now. So I wanted to live in a tiny house, and then I'm like, nah. I want to live in this freaking mansion. This is literally, This is the biggest one that I have on here. On island living, and it's the most expensive. Sorry. It took me all day to build yesterday. Now I know what they complain about when they're building houses. I'm fixing to move into it. It's just going to take forever to move into it. Because I don't really like to use cheats, and I probably have only $300 in my account, so yeah, it's going to be a while. I'm probably just going to have to cheat this one out. Each bedroom has a closet and crap in it. There's only 2 rooms that I actually didn't build at all. I just put them in here, and that's a bar because I really like that bar. And then I wanted a gym because I feel like all mansions have gyms and bars in them. So that is what I did, and I actually think my roof job's semi-okay. But that is it. This is it for this video. And this is at Sepier Shores, if you guys like this a lot. I preferably did because there's dolphins and crap. And I had this view and stuff. And I really just liked being in this neighborhood. I actually didn't even realize. I forgot this was all behind my house. Alright, so that'll be it for this video for like the 3rd time. If you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have any requests to do other mermaids or challenges and crap, I'll do that as well. Bye!